Today's Khan Academy lesson is algebra with negatives. So today we're going to be, doing algebra with negatives because normally when you do algebra problems, usually the easier way is to do it with positive numbers, like 2, 4, 6, 5. It's much easier to do with positive numbers. When it comes to negative numbers, though, it's harder because there's much more steps you need to do. So first we're gonna come up with a negative algebra problem. So first negative algebra problem we're gonna do is negative 2x plus 6 equals 4x minus 6. So first you wanna get the x numbers because you wanna add them up together so you can find out what that is. So first we're gonna get rid of the normal numbers. So first we're gonna subtract this by 6 because you have to do it at the same time. Then I'll subtract this by 6. So this would be negative 12 because if you know what negative number, if you subtract a negative number by a negative number, if you subtract a negative number by a negative number, it's going to add up together what the total thing is, and then the adding a positive number and a negative number together cancels each other out. So because this is positive and this is negative and they're in the same number, they'll end up as 0 because it's like doing this. 6 minus 6 equals 0 because it's the same number, and that's what it will turn out to be. So now we got those. We gotta add back the normal numbers. So first we have to add back 4x, then equal this because it's the same thing. Then we also gotta add the negative 2x. So right here. So this is what we come out of the first equation. I have to come up with another one. Now, since we have these, we have to isolate the x. So now we have to come up with a thing. So since this is kind of like the highest number right here, we have to subtract by it. So minus 4x and then minus 4x. If this were the case, this would become negative 6x and this would become 0. Because this is 0, because it's canceling each other out, just like I said. Then this would become 0, this would become 6x. So since we left out the 0, this becomes the equal, and we have to bring down 12. So to put the minus 12. Then we have to figure out what the x is, so we have a number right here of x, so we have to do it by dividing it by the same numbers. So this we have to divide by negative 6, and this we have to divide by negative 6. And so once we do this, this would become 2, this would become 1. And this is 4x and this is 2x, so it's have to be 1x, and then that means x equals 2.